Once upon a time, there was a giant green workbench who was 7 feet wide and over 3 feet tall. After nearly 5 decades, the workbench decided to reinvent itself. At its core was something very unique and special. 50 years of projects had left its paint thin, its doors and drawers dented. But perhaps this wear and tear should be cherished, even celebrated, and not covered over thickly with a fresh coat of paint. The center section of drawers would stay, but everything else would be new. It would face the future, stronger than ever, finding new purpose without forgetting its past. And so it begins. Wet sanding with 400 grit sandpaper both cleans and smooths the surface. It's important not to use too much water, especially with wooden objects. Rinse, dry off, and allow time for all moisture to evaporate before applying the clear protective finish.